Hello guys, how are you doing? I think you all are doing very well and you are absolutely learning from my video because I always try to motivate you. But as you know that motivation comes from yourself. Yeah, so there are sometimes when someone motivate you and you with that motivation you continue with that only 2 days or 3 days, and after that you once again go in that place where you had started. Yeah, so that's why it's very interesting to learn this language. Yeah, so I am going to share you my thought related English learning, and everybody today wants to learn this language, but matter is concerned to that if you more practice, if you more shadowing, then you can definitely learn. It's not a big deal, and it will come slowly, gradually you will learn, but after your work hard. So that's why today from this episode I am going to share you shadowing practice. So there are so many simple sentence, and you have to speak with me, and you repeat it after me, because when you repeat it you will learn absolutely something new. My first sentence is ऐसा गलती से हुआ. अब कैसे बोलेंगे? ऐसा गलती से हुआ. Suppose that you are traveling one place to another place and your feet just get into another person's feet, and that time you will have to speak about ऐसा गलती से हुआ. तो वहां पर ऐसे बोल सकते हैं it happened by mistake. क्या बोलेंगे? It happened by mistake. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस हमारा है ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ. जैसे किसी ने परीक्षा पास कर लिया तो आप बोलते हैं ए वो तो क्या पढ़ेगा, वो तो तुक्का से पास हो गया. So that time you can use it happened by chance. Suppose that another sentence which I try to tell you that उसने एग्जाम तुक्के से पास कर लिया. So he has passed the exam by chance. He has passed the exam by chance. दूसरा सेंटेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप जनरली सुनते हैं लोगों से, इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. क्या बोलते हैं? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. तो व्हाट डिफरेंस डज इट मेक. क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट डिफरेंस डज इट मेक. इसका जवाब भी सुन लीजिए. आप बोलते हैं इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. क्या बोलेंगे? इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. देयर यू कैन से इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. It doesn't make any difference. So this way you can use, and you copy and paste, and you just try to practice with me. Another sentence which I want to tell you that मेरे पास एक कलम है और आपके पास कॉपी है. So how can you say I have a pen but you have a copy. I have a pen, you have a copy. Another very complex sentence which I want to share you that उम्मीद है आप मजे में होंगे. क्या बोलेंगे? उम्मीद है आप मजे में होंगे. होप यू आर एंजॉइंग योर सेल्फ. होप you are enjoying yourself. So this was the last sentence, and I hope you absolutely you will learn from my video. Till then, bye bye, take care and support to me. Thank you for watching.